A type of channel is now growing very quickly on YouTube, where no one is seen in front of the camera. There is no original footage either, just an AI-generated voice talks about an informative or surprising topic, while relevant stock video clips are arranged in the background, one after another. This format is so simple that many people think it will not be effective. Yet in reality, these types of channels are standing out with many more views and subscribers in a comparatively short time, especially on topics such as health awareness, food safety, or consumer awareness, where there is a large audience of older and information-seeking viewers. In today's tutorial, I will show the entire process as if it were a production line, from raw materials coming in to packaging coming out. I will show step by step what is happening at each station. But before that, let's take a look at a competitor channel and see whether they are actually performing well. The channel's name is Consumer Exposed. They have already published 55 videos and have already reached 11,000 subscribers. They have arranged the channel quite beautifully and planned every part perfectly. They published a video 13 hours ago and it has received 20,000 views. And the second one was published 1 day ago and it has received 18,000 views. And among the popular videos, one video has crossed 3 million views. This means that people are actually liking these videos quite a lot now. If we look at the income of this channel, we can see that they are earning between $3,000 and $5,000 per month. And if we look at the yearly income, they are earning between $4,000 and $66,000. Although this may actually seem strange to you, it is true. At the first station, we need a good topic. Open Claude. It is a completely free tool and its output is very updated. And the topic generation prompt given in the description is arranged in such a way that it shows you around 20 different subniches, and within each subniche it gives 10 specific video topic ideas. There is a major advantage to showing them divided in this way. It keeps your content diverse, so instead of the same types of topics appearing repeatedly, they come from different angles, which is good for the long-term health of the channel. Copy the first part directly and beautifully so that no line or anything is left out. Bring it over to Claude, and if everything is correct, paste it and then click the Generate button. Claude will give you a few rare visible ideas within a few seconds, such as 1. Breakfast foods 2. Frozen foods 3. Snack foods. Make sure to understand each idea well and understand what it is trying to explain, and research them properly to see what it will be like if you create a video. Because if you create a video using just any title, the video will not actually be good. I am only using a template in this video to explain it to you. Head back to Docs, copy the story prompt, go back to Claude and paste the prompt, then click Generate. Within a short time, Claude will ask you which one you want to make the video with and how many minutes you want the video to be. For today's tutorial and to explain it to you, I am choosing any one title and I gave the video duration as 10 minutes. You can increase or decrease it from this. To explain it to you, I gave this much. Then click Generate. After Claude processes the whole thing, it will write a long story for you. With this story, we will only generate the audio. For that, we will copy the story and go directly to the audio generation tool, 11labs. After coming here, we will see the voice option on the right side. From there, we will select anyone that perfectly matches the video quality and we will paste what we copied. Finally, if everything is correct, click Generate Speech below. Within a few seconds or 1 minute, our audio will be generated. You can see the download icon on the right side. Click on it and download it. Now our task is to collect stock footage. We can do this through many methods, but if we do that, we may face copyright or various problems. For that, we will use Pexels.com/. I would recommend that you use this. For this, we will open Pexels.com/. After opening Pexels.com/, we will write a part of our title that explains our video and search for it, and we will already see many related stock footage appearing in front of us. According to your audio length or according to your video duration, download from here in such a way that it is completely related to the video and everything is set. I searched and downloaded a few to explain it to you. Now these have already been downloaded for me. The next task is editing. For that, we will open CapCut. Then first we will place the audio on the timeline and arrange all the downloaded stock footage one by one over the audio. You must make sure to understand which stock should be placed where according to what the audio is saying and place it accordingly. To make the video more beautiful, we will add one transition in the middle of this video. We will join one in the middle of each video, making sure that none are left out. And to make the video a little blurry or do something, we will use something so that it comes within full quality. To make the video more funny, we will add a chicken sticker. We will use any quality picture inside the speaker and set it on the timeline and in any corner of the video. And then to take out the text, for generating captions, we will click the X icon, select Auto Captions, then click Generate. Within a few seconds or 1 minute, it will be created. To make it beautiful, we will use a template so that the beauty increases. Everything looks perfect. Now we will export the video. Final words, and in the next episode, I will return with another new topic.
Every carton in the egg aisle is trying to sell you a story. Cage-free, farm-fresh, natural, pasture-raised. But what if almost none of those words mean what you think they mean? What if the label you trust most is actually the one designed to fool you?